Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how to change AliExpress password, whether you are updating it for security reasons or just want a new one. This process is quick and easy. Now let's get started. First of all, open your AliExpress app. Make sure that you have already logged in. Then on your main screen or dashboard, you can see account in bottom right corner. Tap on it. This will open your account. Now click on your profile picture in top left corner. This will open your profile. Now tap on edit, and here you can see your photo, nickname and all your information. Tap on account information, and there you can see password as your last option. Tap on it, and this will open your account info. Now AliExpress will send you OTP through your SMS. Copy it and paste it over here. Then tap on verify, and now you can change your password. Enter your new password and confirm it. Once done, tap on update password. And that's how you change your password on AliExpress. Keeping your account secure is important, so don't forget to update your password regularly. If this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you next one.